everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be doing a little Saint Laurent unboxing. You might know that I am obsessed with bags at the moment. I am collecting them. They're just my favourite thing to buy and spend my money on. I probably shouldn't keep spending my money on them. So I picked this one up from matchesfashion.com. It didn't come in a box. It just came in the cardboard box. It didn't come in a Saint Laurent box. But it did come in this little dust bag, obviously, with the logo and everything. And yeah, I will just take it out of the bag and show you guys now. I've wanted this bag for so long. It was at the top of my list, but it was so expensive I couldn't justify it. You might know I recently bought a little black YSL bag, a small one crossbody, which was a little bit cheaper than this one. I think that was £7.90, and this one was a lot more, but I did get £200 off because I used a code on Matches Fashion for 15% off. And now when you look for this bag, it's sold out, unfortunately, so I was really lucky. I think I actually got the last one. So it is the Saint Laurent Lulu bag in the size small. It's in the colour white, but if you actually compare it to a pure white, it's a little bit more ivory, oyster colour. So I will get it out of the bag and show you now. Ta-da! Oh my god, I can't even express to you guys how much I'm in love with her. She's absolutely stunning. God, I better be careful. I've got red lipstick in this white bag. She's got a little silver chain. Obviously the logo on the front in silver. It's like the chevron leather. It's absolutely stunning. I just love the silver hardware, and then obviously at the top it's got these leather handles which say, you can see, Saint Laurent Paris. I hope I'm saying that right, by the way. I'm not very good at pronouncing things. You open it with a magnetic clasp, and that's how it looks on the inside. And then she's got 3 compartments, a zip one in the middle, and then 2 bigger ones either side. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. It's got some card holder there, you can see, guys. This is going to be a really short video, I've realised, because there's not much to say really, is there? It's just a beautiful bag. So you can wear it with both chains, like this. So you can wear it on your shoulder. I'm just going to show you the size. So that's how big she is. This is a small size. So you can get a medium and a large and a toy. And I just think this size is perfect for me. And I just love that I can wear it on my shoulder. Everything I ever wanted in a bag. It's beautiful. So I will compare this bag with my other 2 to show you the difference in size. My other 2 bags out to show you compared with the Lulu. So here she is. She's just beautiful. I mean, I'm absolutely obsessed with her. She goes amazing with summer outfits, like this sort of dress I love with it. And then here is my Gucci Marmont bag. So as you can see, she's quite a bit bigger than that. And then here is my tiny little Lulu camera bag, and she's a lot bigger than that. So you can see why she's more expensive. It's a beautiful, beautiful bag. The difference in the hardware, you can see this one's obviously gold, this one's silver. The chain is a bit bigger as well. Oh, I also got this new ring, the rainbow ring from Revolve. So it's just nice to have a little bit of a bigger bag in my collection. I absolutely adore every single one of my bags. I have no regrets buying them at all. And you can see the leather is different. So this one is more of a rougher leather. It looks a bit more durable than this one, which is very silky, smooth, soft leather. It's very, very similar to the Gucci leather, and they're both a chevron leather as well. So they are quite similar in that sense. But obviously the hardware is different. The colours are different. I think I've got a really good variety of bags now to take me through to winter. Obviously, I do have more on my wish list. I have a Louis Vuitton on my wish list and a little Prada at the moment on my wish list. And for Christmas, I really want to get a velvet one. And then after that, I'm done for the year. Yeah, I'm a little bit addicted, but they are just beautiful. And she has fitted in wonderfully to my new collection. I just want to show you the back of the Gucci, actually. On the back, and obviously the YSL ones are just the plain chevron. So yes, it was definitely a big investment, but I do feel like she is going to match so many different outfits, and it's just going to be the best bag for summer. So I have no regrets buying this bag, and I will leave the link to her below. Sorry I keep calling her I don't know why. I think I've become too attached to the bags, to be honest with you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and seen Lulu a bit closer. If you've been considering buying this bag, I would highly recommend. They do it in so many different colours. They do it in black, nude, navy, I think. There's so many different colours. A dark red, I think you can get this in a bigger size. It's so spacious. I think you can fit a ton of stuff in this bag. It's my biggest bag that I've bought that's designer. It's super comfortable. I didn't mention how comfortable it is when you wear it on your shoulder. And you can also wear it crossbody, which I was just going to show you guys. So let me just do that now. Pull the chain up, then click her into place. The magnetic strength on it is amazing as well, so it's really strong. And then you can wear it like this. Let me step back for you guys. So yeah, it's a bit bigger than my average crossbody bag. Let me show you how it compares to this one. There we go. As you can see, it's quite a lot bigger. I personally would only wear this one crossbody. I wouldn't necessarily wear this one because I think it's a bit bulky, but that's why I got it to wear as a shoulder bag. The only thing I would say with buying a bag like in this colour, this white colour, is I feel like I've got to be super careful with it because obviously I do wear fake tan and makeup and stuff, and I've got to keep it as clean as I possibly can because I'm obsessed with it and I don't want anything to happen to it. So yeah, if you are going to buy a white leather bag like this, you just have to bear in mind you do have to be a bit more careful with them. You can't just throw them on the ground and stuff. Not that I would throw any designer bag on the ground, but you just have to take that into consideration. This in the black would also be beautiful, but as I said, I wanted a summer bag and I have no regrets buying this one. It's a beautiful bag, like honestly guys, can't recommend it enough. So I'm just going to put that down. So yes, I will mention the price quickly just in case you were wondering. So the small Lulu bag, which is the one I bought, is usually 1,365 I believe, but I got mine at a discount. Obviously I got it for 1,160, which is a hell of a lot of money for a bag, I know, but it is an investment piece that will last me years and something I'm continuing to invest in as I get older. And yeah, compared to the toy Lulu, which is 880, it is a big price difference, but the toy Lulu is a lot smaller, so you can just bear that in mind. If I didn't have my Gucci and my other YSL, I probably would have got the toy Lulu, but because I've got two crossbodies already, I wanted a shoulder bag, so that is why I paid a bit more this time. The next bag I said earlier that I want to get is a Prada mini bag, which is about 495. Not too bad compared to this one. So I was going to order that one, but it was out of stock, so that is why I ended up buying the way more expensive bag. But I was going to get it at some point anyway, so I might as well get it now. That's what I told myself anyway. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting or useful if you were considering buying a Lulu bag. I have watched so many of these videos over the past few weeks and months deciding to buy this bag because it is a big deal. Like, it's a big investment to spend this amount of money on a bag, so you want to be 100% sure it's for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be filming a lot more videos soon because I'm actually buying a camera, a proper camera, a Canon G7X camera. I'm going to Cornwall at the end of July for a little holiday, if bearing in mind the virus doesn't come back in full force. It's all booked and everything, so we're staying in a hotel then. I wanted to vlog the whole trip, and I just thought a camera would be really nice to film some videos on, and I can film like the hotel and stuff if you were considering staying there because it's such a beautiful hotel. And yeah, so that's something to look forward to, and I'm really looking forward to trying that out. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.